Yes, good morning, friends. Today we'll discuss about the module 2, that is smart objects. As we have seen in the module 1, the what is IoT and what are its architectures and how that sensors are going to get collected, the information and all these things. Now let us move further to with that. In the module 2 we'll learn about something about the smart objects, where the contents are like this. It goes the things in the IoT, that is objects, sensor objects, and the smart objects. Then we have the sensors. Next is an actuators and smart objects. Again, there are some sensor networks are there. Next is connecting smart objects. Now the data are getting collected and all the information is going to be stored. After that, where it is going to be forwarded, the action has to be taken for that. So the communication smart objects are going to be seen. Then there are many criteria are going to be there. We want to see that also. And finally, the access technologies for IoT. So friends, by this we will learn a lot of things towards the applications, or we can say that where it is going to be used, which are the depth informations are going to be used for the an IoT. That we will going to consider in this. So what is a smart objects? So object it is going to be. They are the physical objects that contain the embedded technologies to sense and or interact with their environment in a meaningful way. So by being interconnected or and enabled communication along with themselves or an external agent. It is a clear information is going to be here. Smart objects. First is a new physical object it is going to be. And it is embedded technology it is going to be, and it interacts with the current environment. And the data is getting collected is live information. So maybe it is getting collected the execution of that, or the communication with the external agent. Here I can give some of the examples for this. Is the Google car only, if you want to consider. So there will be a hump will be there within 5 meters of distance. That time the sensor is going to sense that particular hump, and it should give immediately that information to the fog layer. So the information collected, that is nothing but a smart object which is going to collect the information, and the sensing of the object is going to be there. That information is going to be collected, and it is interconnected devices it is going to be given. Okay. This is one way of, we can say, there is a smart object. And another way, in the field of stock market, the data is getting collected every minute, every second. That information has to be sent to the external agent. So that the external agents are nothing but builders and bidding people's companies. The share market is going to process. So that information is going to be immediately sent to the communication to the outside world also. So like this, the smart objects are going to be get activated more towards the environment. Now basically the collection of the data, it is going to be done by sensors. So what is sensor then? Sensor is, it senses. Any sensors are going to sense the data. That is called as sensor. And one more thing is that measures some physical quantity and converts them into measurable reading into the digital representation. That is very important thing. Analog data we cannot take it. Taking the analog data, if it is being converted to digital data only, we will come to know what is the impact of that. Otherwise, we will be not aware of what is happening in this, where we should stop, where we should start. That itself is a big issue. So conversion of that, there is a measure of physical quantity to the measurable digital quantity, digital representation. That is not a sensor. Then its applications, area of applications of the sensors. They can be categorized based on the specific industry or vertical where they are going to be used. Secondly, how sensors measures basically. These sensors can be categorized based on the physical mechanisms used to measure sensory input. That is thermometric, electromechanical, or electrochemical, piezoresistive, optic, electrical, fluid mechanics, photoelastic. So many n number of sensor measures are there. These locations the data is going to be get measured. Then what sensor measures basically? The sensors can be categorized based on their applications or what devices, physical devices, variables they are going to be measured. These are the sensors can be categorized based on their applications basically. What type of data that you need. So that basically that it gives the form of variables the measure. Now we'll see that there are so many different types of sensory types are there. Sensor types are there. So let us one by one we'll see how they work. The data is going to be like this. The sensor type is there. What is that port? Then which are the devices that is going to be used. Where it is going to be used. That is examples for that it is going. Now you can see that sensor is a position. One particular position is going to be there. So how that sensor is going to work over there? A position sensor measures the position of an object. Remember this properly because the questions will be asked like in the exams like this only. Okay, so many types will be there and you have to give a proper example for that. That is very important. What is this type of this sensor and what it is going to do. That is the description of that, which device is going to be used for this to measure this particular position. A position sensor measures the position of an object. The position measurement can be either in the absolute terms, that is a position sensor, or in the relative terms, that is the displacement sensors. Then position sensors can be either linear, angular, or multi-axis. These locations, the data is going to, the position is going to be measured. For this, the examples are potentiometers are going to be used, inclinometers are going to be used, proximity sensors are going to be used for this position sensors. Next is occupancy and motion sensors. What is this occupancy and motion sensor is? Occupancy sensors detect the presence of the people and animals in a surveillance area.